I got the Valentine's edition, guys. It's like a mirror. I removed the cellophane. It's kinda has a mirror looks to it. It's kinda bright when I put in the sunlight here. And I got this from the thrift store, and I removed the there's like a cellophane wrap into it. So I removed now. It's more shiny now. Yes, it is. It's hard to see, guys, but it's kind of mirror, guys. See, it's like a mirror, and it's kind of shiny and stuff. Anyway, so I'm gonna hang this over there by the, or I can put by the. I'm just gonna put in here for now. Just wait. I'm just gonna put there for now, guys, so you can see better. I wanna hang over there. There's a hook over there, but I wanna hang a different one in there for the so see, it kinda has a mirror into it, so when I remove the cellophane, it's kinda I need to do my nail polish again, guys. Hindi na. I'm gonna do my red or pink. um it's not like broken or anything like that. So far this is the longest nails I have, guys. So see, I need to uh, to redo again. Anyway, see, it's like you can add more stuff in here in the bottom. So, and see, it's gonna mirror my cell phone. See, and that's the only for. A basket in the bottom there, so I cannot video. Anyway, um this one, guys, I got this from the thrift store also. The heart there, that's also for thrift store and stuff. And flowers. You know. Anyway, so this one, guys, I buy those this is like when I buy like a bag from the thrift store, they have like a bunch of this. So I have like 4 of this or 3, but I have more other keychain. But this one, guys, yesterday I buy also like another bag, and let's see, I did not know that it's pretty. It's like this one is it's in the cellophane yet, so never used yet. Nothing missing. Everything said, oh, that's perfect for my, Valentine's decor and stuff. So that's kind of pretty too. And then this one, guys, I think I'm just gonna this is like, it's bigger than, I just wear like large, but it's still okay because you can wear some other loose clothing. It's a 2XL. It's bigger than me, but that's okay. But the thing about this, you can resell this too. I can sell it, but we'll see first. I'm gonna hand wash this, I think. And this one has a pocket right there, guys. Sorry, my nose. Anyway, it's kind of brand new, guys. And it's like nobody really use it. Probably just in their closet. And the thing about it's like, sorry. Why my nose when I wanna talk and it's, the nose are running, guys. Yeah, sorry. And see the shoulder, guys, has a glittery to, so I need to off it. And then that's the bottom part. And the other side, but it's kind of like I can hand wash this, and it's kind of perfect for Valentine's or any kind of it's Christmas or whatever. It's still good. That's it. That's what it look like. Ito. Wash this in here too. That's for the puppy. He likes to go to the window over there. That's what it look like. sparkle, guys, right? And perfect. Yeah, sorry, guys. My nose. Kind of pretty. It's kind of mirror, guys. See? See you later.